Hi, I'm Sarah Marie with Sarah Marie Fitness. And first, I want to welcome you to my channel. And I want to welcome you to subscribe. I'm taking you on a journey with me as I learn more about fitness and dieting, a healthy, sustainable lifestyle. I want to invite you to follow me and to learn from me as I learn so that you can learn as well what's going to work for you. I'm going to try intermittent fasting. I tried it last week. It didn't turn out well. I've learned a lot over the past couple of weeks and I want to try to apply what I've learned. One of the first things I've learned with intermittent fasting is it's 5 days on and 2 days off. Okay, so today is Labor Day, and usually Justin is off on Sundays and Mondays, and so he and I spend a lot of time together, and intermittent fasting is not going to be tolerable on those days. I will fast starting Tuesday morning for 5 days, but it's not 5 days solid. It's only 16 hours of fasting and 8 hours of eating. If I fast from, let's see, we usually get snack at about 10:30 at night. Let's say 11 o'clock at night. 11 p.m. and then 12 hours later would be 11 a.m. 11 to 12, 12 to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 3. 16 hours. 3 p.m. is when I would break my fast with a cardio workout at, let's say, 2. I'll eat at 3, and that'll be what I do for 5 days. So this is going to be quite the challenge because there are going to be some days that this week, like I know for a fact, Friday this week, I'm going to really struggle because I'm going to be at a school where I teach for several hours of the day and I'm not going to be able to eat lunch with everybody because I'll be fasting until 3. Maybe what I'll do is have an earlier snack Thursday night. That way I can break my fast earlier on Friday for lunch. Today is day 1 of intermittent fasting restart. And one of the things I learned from doing it last week wrong was that I was breaking my fast during my cup of coffee. I thought that adding half a packet of stevia extract and a little bit of almond milk would be okay, but it's actually not. It broke my fast and I didn't even realize it. So this week I'm going to have my coffee black with a little bit of stevia because stevia doesn't produce an insulin response, so it doesn't cause me to break my fast. It's the almond milk that was causing me to break my fast. So I showed you my starting weight, which is higher than it was last week because it was Labor Day weekend. Really? But one of the hardest things about intermittent fasting is having to fix other people's food for breakfast and lunch, like the egg. I should probably do another body video of my stomach, which is the part that I'm really trying to focus on during this intermittent fasting week. And I'm going to try it for a week and see if it's even sustainable for me. It seems like it should work because of the 8 hours of eating and the 16-hour fasting period. Do that 5 days a week, take 2 days off. It seems like it should be sustainable for me. And I'm also going to be breaking my fast at about 3 o'clock. And I'm going to be doing a 10-minute HIIT cardio workout half an hour before I break my fast. I'm also going to do my regular workout closer to when I break my fast. This is flexed, which is making that stick out more. That's flexed. So it's like 8,000 degrees out here. Really hot. Why am I working out outside? Because I want to build up some sweat to help release some of these toxins that my body is flushing out. I'm drinking plenty of water. I've drank about half of a gallon already today. It's 2:30. So I'm going to do my workout and then hop in the pool, which is why I have my swimsuit on underneath my workout clothes. Then I'm going to break my fast.
It is so hot out here. It feels like I have on a blanket. The humidity is insane.